Hello learners, I, Mrs. KULKARNI SHEETAL V, from Department of Instrumentation Engineering, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In this video, we are going to discuss dialysis machine component kit. Objective of this video to learn the components in dialysis machine. Contents are dialysis machine kit components. Only purchase of dialysis machine is not enough. Some accessories and components are essential to run dialysis machine. These are some glimpses of dialysis machine. We are very happy to inform you that this machine is purchased under the grant received from AICTE MODROB Biomedical Instrumentation Laboratory to AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune, Maharashtra, Department of Instrumentation Engineering. These are the some general specifications of a dialysis machine: dimension, weight, then supply requirement and pressure requirement. Then some blood requirement is mentioned here. First component is biotech tubing set for hemodialysis system, which is made up of PVC, and these tubes are used for the blood circulation. Concentrated hemodialysis solution bicarbonate type. The purpose of this solution is to be acid is to lower the pH of dialyzer to below 7.3 so that the calcium and magnesium do not precipitate out of solution in the form of carbonate salts when bicarbonate is added. CitroH, this solution is used for the cleaning of dialysis machine. Dialyzer, it is an artificial kidney. Its function is to remove the excess waste and fluid from the blood. Then this is the sodium injection, which is come with the kit. These are the needles from the patient for the input of the patient blood. The needles are used. These are some references used for the creation of this video. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for watching this video, and thanks a lot, and keep learning.